Good morning, guys. Hey, the market just opened. Well, not quite. Sorry. Market's getting ready to open. Nah, it's open. And what a partial fill that I got. Bunch of crap. Nothing irritates me more than that. Well, anyway, you can see I was trying to get short at the 50%. Been sitting there. I was front of the line, thank goodness. But hope everybody had a good night. I was up pretty late. Of course, the Chinese pulled their little stunt again last night. You know, I think this is just the start of what's to come. Which I don't blame them. I mean, it's not like we haven't done the same thing. They're gonna try to take care of what they think that they have to take care of to survive the way they want to. So we just have to be able to, react to the new environment that we're going to be in. See if we can break the 38 here. I am thinking that we get a deeper rotation down in the 76. And then we'll see if this 61 or 76 holds. Come on. Alright, we'll see what the rotation we get here. Get set back up. Let's see, 1890 with opening trade. Get some of this off here where you can see a little better. $144 is still underneath the rail, pushing down. Price is slowing down a little bit, but I'd like to see this thing tag the 61 at least. Little left shoulder, head, right shoulder dropped out of the neckline, so I still believe that we'll get down to well, I told you yesterday target was we broke down off the low was 1193.1, and now you see the 89% of this retracement is 1193.3. That'd be a really good spot to watch. As you see, these numbers just reoccur over and over and over and over again. So is bouncing off the 61. That might have been it. Let's see. Let's see what this 610 wants to do. The 987, it can find support here, but the higher time frames are still pushing down. All right, I'll pause it and come back. Okay, I went ahead and took partial here. 94.3. Not looking for a whole lot here. You gotta be quick today. I do think we have a chance to get somewhat of a rotation. Now, let's see if it holds. The ES is at 2060 right now, so the 610's not holding in there. Not yet. Looks like it's going to go test the overnight low, it looks like. 987 starting to get underneath. So it might go down here and test, retest the overnight low. Make sure that it's going to hold. Really looks like it wants to test that 94.5, doesn't it? Okay, I'll pause it. Alright, the first order got filled. See what we can do here now. I'll bring it up to a two-tick stop loss. Liking the way the 987's looking. Just want to bring this in now. Give it a second, see if we can get up there. I don't want to give anything back where this thing's running around everywhere. Alright, let's see if we can get up to up in these zones up here, see what we can find out today. So I'll pause it and come back later. Alright guys, I'm gonna take another one off here and I'll pause it. I'm still looking for 2101, somewhere around there, but we'll see if we get stopped out. It is getting rejected at the 61. That's not good normally. Usually The 61% area is where you get your rejection. I'm gonna go to break even on the stop. Alright, I'll pause it and come back. Alright guys, it made it up to the 76%. You know, it did come down and test. Now we've got a little push up. So we'll see where this thing wants to go. I'm going to take one here. I'm going to move the stop one tick above the entry, and I'll be back later on. Alright guys, looks like they might get us here. The ES is having trouble holding to 2060. Alright, everybody be safe out there. 35.15 for the morning. I'm probably going to call it a day. If you're going to be trading these markets for the next probably couple months, it's going to be wild and crazy. So everybody be careful. Make sure you're not carrying too much stuff overnight. There's no need in it. You'll wake up to days like this and have to make emotional decisions instead of well thought out ones. Alright, with that, I'll leave y'all, and I hope to see y'all tomorrow.